Hello and welcome to my channel, and this is my Lincoln Town Car Signature Limited, and right now it's sitting in here because it's cold outside. We had our first snow, and since I have enough cars, I keep the nice ones inside and covered up. As the town car here, or here, my Mustang, my Shelby GT350. So today I checked on the town car and I want to make sure that the battery will be fit when I take it back out. And I may take it back out during the winter as well if there's a nice clear day and dry roads, of course. So I learned out of my lessons from the past, and I put this trickle charger here on the vehicle so that nothing happens, that the battery will be nice and fit. And you're probably all aware of these chargers, and if not, I have a video about them as well if you want to have a look. Now, these are super simple. These are charging really slow, but that's good for the battery. And in fact, what you do is you take the positive, the red one, and you put it to the positive here of the battery and positive terminal, and then the other one, the black, you put it on somewhere on the body part of your vehicle. That's it. You plug it in, and when it's orange amber like this, it's charging. When it's green, it's done, and when it's flashing, it has an arrow. So super simple and an easy way to keep your batteries fit. Now, I recommend buying a new battery when they get really old. Batteries don't last forever, so look into that. Now, did you know that the Tesla also has a small battery, like similar to a normal car battery? They do. And that battery gets fed by the large battery, but if the small battery dies, then the car kind of dies too. So you have to keep that in check too. And sometime I will do that as well. I will open it up and find the battery and check it. So I'll do this with this car here. I'll do it with the Shelby. And my truck is parked outside. Probably wouldn't hurt it to keep the battery fresh on that one as well, because it's cold out there. Okay, guys, so what are my plans for the town car next year? I'm undecided, you know. It doesn't need tires. They still look pretty decent, don't they? So some say, well, different wheels, and I am open for different wheels. I'll tell you why. Because wheels is something that I can easily replace and put back again. Like, I can buy new wheels and I can put back the old ones on again anytime I want. So that doesn't ruin the vehicle. But honestly, I don't know what type of wheels would look good on the town car, you know. These are pretty, I think they are pretty, and I do think that chrome wheels fit it well. I don't think black wheels would look good on it. I don't think so. I want to retint the front side windows. They have been tinted, but not enough, and I think I want to retint those. So that's one thing to do. Of course, keep up with the maintenance. That's always good to do. And we'll see. We'll find out what the year holds and what we can do, what I can afford to do. So depends. We'll find out. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know you like the town car. I do too. I have to say that this is probably the one car that I will never sell, especially since there's getting fewer and fewer town cars and fewer that are really original and look the way they looked when they came out of the factory. So this one isn't completely 100% original. A couple things have been done, as you've seen in my videos, but it still has the original looks and well, engine too. So, and low mileage, so that's good. High mileage is good too if it's well maintained, but low mileage is always good, and well maintained plus low mileage, you can't go wrong. Okay, guys, enough talking here. It's cold out there and I got to go. I have something to do. I'll take you along when I take the town car out next time, because the winter is not always cold and snowy. And yeah, then my next videos will be about my other cars. I have some fun stuff coming up there. Okay, I really enjoy that you watch my videos and support me. I would say Merry Christmas, but it's a little too early, so I'll just say stay healthy and Come back soon. We'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day.